If you are craving McChicken, stop buying and let's learn how to make McChicken at home. Crispy golden brown juicy chicken patty, layered with crunchy lettuce and creamy mayonnaise, all tucked into a soft toasted sesame seed bun. Perfectly seasoned and bursting with flavor, this fan favorite sandwich delivers the perfect bite every time. Why settle for takeout when you can make the same version that's even better than McDonald's? Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents McChicken Burger. In a chopper, add 500 grams mixture of boneless chicken thigh and chicken breast. Add 2 tablespoons corn flour, half teaspoon black and white pepper powder, salt to taste, quarter teaspoon paprika, quarter teaspoon onion powder, 1 chicken stock cube crushed, quarter teaspoon cayenne pepper powder, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Blend into chopper. Check between. Blend well until chicken is minced. Our chicken minced well. Consistency should be like this. Remove in a bowl. Now place cookie cutter on parchment paper. Add some chicken minced into the cutter. Flatten it with spatula. Spread out evenly. Make patty as shown. Remove the cutter. Repeat the same procedure for all. Shape it into patty. Make sure patty is not too thick. Do this for all. Lay this in the freezer for about 1 hour until patties hold the shape. Take 1 cup plain flour in a bowl. 1/3 cup corn flour. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Mix well. Our dry mix is ready, keep aside. Let's prepare McDonald's style mayo sauce. Take ½ cup mayonnaise. Add 1 tablespoon mustard sauce. Quarter teaspoon garlic powder. Add salt to taste. Add some lemon juice. Combine well. Our special mayo sauce is ready. Set that aside. Remove the patties from the freezer. Now you can hold the patty easily. Coat the frozen patty with the dry mix flour. Coat well. Repeat the same procedure for all. Can be stored in the freezer for up to 1 month. Once all patty coated well, add 1 teaspoon baking powder in the remaining dry mix. Pour iced cold water or soda water into the dry mix. Mix well. Add water gradually. Whisk well. Add water gradually. Form a thin batter. Heat up the oil for frying. Check whether it's hot or not. Dip the patty in it. Coat well. You can also coat patty with beaten eggs and breadcrumbs or crushed corn flakes. Fry well. Fry until beautifully golden brown, just like this. Place the patty in hot oil. Fry 6 to 7 minutes on each side on low to medium flame. Flip and cook from another side too. Fry until chicken tender and crispy golden brown. Remove it. Let the patties rest for a minute or two after cooking to distribute juices. Meanwhile, toast the sesame burger buns. Brush some melted butter on buns. Place on hot pan. Apply melted butter on both bun sides. Toast the buns on hot pan until crispy and golden marks appear. It's time to assemble. Take toasted buns. Place fried chicken patty. Then add some chopped lettuce. Spread our special mayo on the top of the bun. Sandwich the patty between two buns. Our crispy, tender, juicy McChicken burger is ready. Repeat the same procedure to make more burgers. Toasted buns. Chicken patty. Chopped lettuce. Add a dollop of mayonnaise on top of the toasted bun. Spread out evenly. Sandwich the patty between two buns. Our McChicken is ready to enjoy. Treat your taste buds to the irresistible goodness of the McChicken burger. Crispy golden brown juicy chicken patty, layered with crunchy lettuce and creamy mayonnaise, all tucked into a soft toasted sesame seed bun. Perfectly seasoned and bursting with flavor, this fan-favorite sandwich delivers the perfect bite every time. Why settle for takeout when you can make the same version that's even better than McDonald's? Skip the drive-thru and follow this easy recipe to satisfy your cravings with homemade twists that are sure to impress. Do try this McDonald's-style McChicken burger recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.